The new device from AKS Detectors, the original AKS company with technological development made in Israel and the USA. AKS Multi-GFIS 3D, a device with two systems for long-range detection and three-dimensional scanning. This is the smallest device in the world. This is a teaser video that shows the capabilities of the revolutionary product in the field of geology and discoveries. This is the stage of using the long-range system to find your first target point. In this specific case, we chose one of the menu options for finding buried gold. We monitor the marking direction of the antennas of the device and expect indications of finding the primary target area. There are several different ways to find the target point, and they are carefully described in our full explanatory video that you can watch in the attached video. When we find the exact point by the long-range system, we prepare to activate the device in its second system format. And this is a three-dimensional scanning system of our target area. Customers from all over the world want a product that will accurately point to the goal, and thus avoid effort and sweating in additional unnecessary excavations. We know that you are all looking for a device that can give you a 100% indication. In recent years, the engineers of the original AKS Detectors company have worked hard, developed and renewed the algorithm technology of AKS Detectors. The end result is that we are proud to provide you with a product that will prevent you from unnecessary efforts and digging. A device that is easy to operate, responsive, compact, and most importantly, a device that gives accurate indications. There are lots of other products, and they are all with partial technology, and those that guarantee you results do not emphasize reality and basic logic, such as the option of resetting your device to the specific ground where you perform the test, and other options provided by the GFIS 3D. Options that you will discover soon. The world's smallest 3D device connects easily and simply via a Bluetooth connection. Also, selection and filtering options of several targets, such as soil types, rocky, beach, mineral, basalt, salty, and more, as well as filtering options, search types like gold, silver, and cavity. Other options that you can learn in the extended user guide are search methods, such as vertical scan, horizontal scan, 360-degree scan, wall scan, and more. Once you have selected the size of your scan area and the directions for performing the scan, you will be transferred to the step of resetting the device to the ground manually. This is where your attention is needed. Each different soil type has unique characteristics that can affect the capabilities of the device. This is a fact that pertains to each geographical discovery and scanning device. We have invested heavily in technology for manually resetting the device to the ground for as accurate results as possible. And this is one of the main and most important differences among the other products in the field of treasure discovery. You can hold the scan sensor unit in your hand and press the scan button on the sensor itself, or place it on your foot and then execute a scan command via the scan command button in the tablet app. Another innovative and preliminary development is the calculation of depths. Once you have performed a correct and accurate reset to the ground, the sensor knows how to calculate the depth of the target in relation to the height of the ground. Again, another advantage over other devices. After completing a scan, you will perform a wide and detailed test for each scan subunit. Mineral effect, depth, analytical tools, values, 360-degree view of the target, and many more options. Now, we can dig in place because gold has been detected by our two systems, thus actually confirming the indication of a 100% real target. Unfortunately, this is hard rocky ground, and manually digging is not possible. Ice has produced reliable proof of the presence of gold at this point. We insist on carrying out this excavation at any cost and effort required. Since this is a hard rock and we are afraid to accidentally hit the target and destroy it, Therefore, we make a slow and careful excavation. This type of excavation is very difficult and challenging. We perform another scan. In the second scan, too, we see a definite indication of the goal. Mark the excavation to the most accurate point and continue the excavation work. What you are about to see is finding very ancient gold coins that have been buried in the ground and pressed between the soil layers over the years. This case is quite rare because these coins were not buried in clay pots, for example, but were found on the ground and due to the drift down the mountain were buried under many layers of soil. The fact that there was a very large rock on the ground, which actually caused the drift to shift to the sides, and thus contributed to keeping most of the coins together in one place and the preservation of the coins. It is also very typical to place such a treasure near a certain hallmark, and here we see that these coins were hidden and buried next to a huge rock. Our device has significant advantages over any other device. Manual ground reset capabilities, ground type filtering options, metal type search filtering, 360-degree scanning capabilities, vertical and horizontal scanning, brick wall scanning, detection up to a depth of 22 meters in the ground using 3D scanning technology. We provide warranty and service for all our products. Be a part of our success and purchase today the most advanced device for discovering tombs, treasures, cavities, burial sites, gold, silver, kimberlites, and many more.